Perfect.
Snap on Wednesday, bitches.
It's Snap on Wednesday.
Damn it.
Let's go, boy. Snap on Wednesday.
Do I have to? Oh, man.
Good boy.
Take your fucking pocket back.
Give me my pocket back.
It's a smoky day today.
Hear that sound? It sounded cool.
Generator running?
The BC wildfires. That's what's doing that. Can't even see the sky right now. Oh, it's nice in here.
We'll finish our day off in here, guys.
I swear to God, our AC's down inside the shop.
Probably isn't working.
That's nice and windy.
Can't hear anything standing under it, but
No, especially if I put the camera down over there, just all you hear is the wind blowing on top of the microphone.
yep.
What's going on?
I know, man.
Joel. I don't know, what do you got?
Yeah, I was gonna get that one day, but I have my
What's the style you drag through?
Yeah,
I don't know, I think you might be happier with your stone.
I like it. It works good for me. I just have fucking jackknives anyway. Jackknife? Good right word? I don't know, jackknife. Jackknife.
You've seen those before. These are designed to go across
Oh,
these drawers.
now that is cool.
Create some extra storage in your toolbox.
There you go. That's cool.
Not new per se. It's probably been
Well, I've
out
never
for
seen
a
it.
couple years, but never seen it.
I've never seen it. That's pretty cool.
Another one.
What size is that? What drawer does it fit in?
36-inch drawer. We need bigger ones.
Will it fit in any
There
of those?
are two sizes.
Oh, okay. Will it fit in the Epic? Nope. So I'm assuming that the other size will fit the Epic, maybe?
There was one for classics as well. So
Okay.
look that up.
What else you got?
Again, this isn't new, but I have never had them before. It's an adapter for your slide hammer.
Oh.
Clamp on it.
Oh, that's cool. I don't think I've ever seen that either.
Pull
That's pretty
seals, bodywork, whatever. It just
So-
replaces the bolt
Oh, okay.
that is in there.
Oh, that's cool. What's the part number on that? That's pretty interesting. There you go. I didn't know that existed.
That is an OTC part number.
Okay. Cool. That's pretty awesome.
There will be more and more new stuff over the coming weeks and months that I picked up from the show. Obviously, it will take some time to get here.
Yeah.
I heard you mention that color is a big thing at the show.
Yeah.
It sure was. There's
It seems
more
like it.
colors coming, and color choices will be over a greater range of products.
Yeah.
You know, before we just had colored screwdrivers.
Yeah.
Now we've got all the colored pliers, right? Red, green, orange. Now there's purple, high vis, blue, and it's extending through to dead blow hammers, ratchets.
I saw the BK 3000s.
Yes,
they're all
those
the
two.
same colors now.
A lot of air tools are now coming in gunmetal gray.
Yeah, I saw that. That's cool. I like that. They're doing all. Are they doing the 14.4 line in gunmetal too?
I guess.
I thought I saw something too. Yeah, that's what it seemed to me. Is that the most thing that stuck out at that show was all the different colors.
Lots of colors.
and all the different color combos for the boxes and stuff
Great
too.
for you, shitty for me.
Yeah.
Well, I can't possibly
Yeah, I get-
carry
that makes sense.
all of it. So that would be, you know, I'd quadruple my inventory
Yeah,
or more.
that makes sense.
So I'm gonna have to, like even in the plier lineup, you know, I'll get needle nose in red, slip joint in green, channel locks in orange, other ones in blue, you know, so I can show the colors. But I can't keep them all.
Right.
The truck's not big enough for that.
No doubt. That's yeah, I didn't think of it that way. That makes total sense. So people are gonna be waiting. They want a purple hammer, and you don't have the purple hammer. Yeah.
I need 2 trucks.
Yeah. Interesting.
What are you just talking about over there? Oh, we're just looking at the tap and die sets. Is this the same one you just picked up, the 76-piece set?
No, I picked up the rethread kit.
Oh, that's nice.
Which I've been using actually quite a bit of.
You did yesterday,
I
didn't
never
you?
really used it before, but I've been using it a lot lately. Yeah, I was rethreading a caliper mount bolt, and
Oh, no way.
the actual threads on it on the mount itself. Yeah, on the bracket.
Right on the spindle.
Yeah, because they came out nice, all tight and shitty. So I just cleaned them up so that when I put it in, they just came right in, or just went right in.
Tight fit.
Tight fit.
That's not something
That's
we
like your
need to
mom,
be
Jesse.
concerned about.
We just went there.
Trust Joel to bring the mom jokes to the party.
Still haven't found a buyer for your $189.
I haven't been working. I was off last week.
This is what you need for home use, Jesse. You need the corded Blue Point half-inch.
Corded. But he
It's
has
corded.
One, but he
It's
has
only $189.
But he has one without a cord.
Yes, I know.
Tweezers? What?
For when you go to the bathroom.
For jerk
Kiwi tweezers?
Well, that was, I can't say that joke out loud.
Can't say what?
I can't say that joke out loud.
What's that? What joke?
No.
What's the joke? What's the joke?
No.
What's the joke? Jordan, you gotta go like this now.
No, I don't know.
I'm out to lunch.
I'm out to lunch. Oh man, that was funny. Oh, so the show was good.
Show was excellent.
Travel was good.
Lots of products to see. Steven Tyler for
Oh yeah, how was that?
72 or however old he is, he still rocks it, man. He was pretty good.
Saw some live people going live on the Snap on Collectors page too, of all people or of all places. That's cool.
No, it was good.
That's awesome.
I got a shout out to my new friends that I met down there that came and said hi from the Tool Review. Hey, you're that guy. My buddies in New York, North Carolina, California, West Georgia, Alabama, and Wisconsin.
That's
Represent.
That's so cool.
Oh, here you go.
We've reached a lot of people. Apparently. What's that? What's that?
Non-marring pry tool set.
Then you can stop borrowing mine.
I have.
But why? I like
have one
wrecking
of those
yours.
sets. I don't have that set. I think I busted one of them.
What was that light you bought?
Oh, this one. Why? Because it's got the UV light on it.
Yeah.
That is literally the brightest UV I've seen on a non-dedicated light.
That's magnet, right?
Yeah.
Sign me up.
Yeah, I love it. I use it all the time now, every day.
I think I'll get one of those. That light.
I'm pretty sure that's actually brighter than our dedicated UV light.
Oh yeah, it looked like
That is the UV light one?
Yeah, that's the one that I got. Jordan needs one too.
I've been checking yours out.
Yeah, I know you have, Jordan.
What are you doing?
Bit of a close up there.
We'll just shine this blue light at Joel here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's all
Oh,
over?
the stains everywhere.
What's all over your face, Joel? Oh, you can turn both on.
What's all over your face?
Got the double stop.
You can have both on at the same time.
Yeah. I figured that out by mistake.
I feel blind.
I'm like,
Do I have any semen on me? Clean it all off. Did I get it off?
Your beard is just.
oh, look at all that white stuff. Oh my god.
It's a nice light.
Just gets better and better on the truck.
Yeah.
Just take it.
All right, guys, that's enough gay jokes. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
Yeah?
Come on, guys.
Cool.
I think you saw all the foam cutouts.
Yes. Yes. I'm happy that that's
wrenches
happening.
And all the individual tools as well.
Yep.
You saw that?
Are you going to be able to order those foam cutouts, just the cutouts?
In time, yes.
Yeah. But for now, you're going to have to order the wrenches with them too, or what?
No, you'll be able to order just the cutouts.
Cool.
I did like that.
Yeah.
That guy.
That's cool, right?
So
I like that too.
there's a number of side panels that you can get. So it's just a panel to go on one end of your toolbox.
Yeah.
And the one style is like that with graphics on it. The other one is basically a protector. It's I don't know, I'd say a 3/16 of an inch, something like that. Piece of Lexan.
Oh yeah.
They are black Lexan with the S cut out, and it's clear.
Okay.
Not cut out, but it's a clear section, so whatever color your toolbox is, that color shines through.
Oh, that's
You
cool.
put those panels on each end just to protect it so it doesn't get dented,
So if it was
scratched,
if
beat
it
up.
was black, what would it look like?
If your toolbox was black,
Yeah.
then it would just be all black, right?
Okay, that doesn't make
I mean,
sense.
you would see the S a little bit, like
Okay.
on an angle view. I don't know what it looked like dead on.
Interesting. That's good though. I pulled my box out the other day and I didn't realize how clean it was on the backside. Like I wiped it down and it's like wow, it's so shiny. Because I'm so used to all the fingernail scratches and
Sure.
yeah. Anyway, cool. Cool.
Cool tools.
All right, we'll see you guys in the
Nice and cool
shop.
back there.
Hey?
Nice and cool.
All right, guys, welcome back to the shop. That was Snap on Wednesday on the truck. Tyler is back from Nashville, Tennessee. He told me some interesting stuff, lots of cool stuff that's coming down, it's coming your way that we didn't even see in the SFC video, so that's pretty cool. I guess he had a lot of people notice him at the show. Hey, you're Tyler Ross. So that's pretty cool. It makes me feel like maybe I've done something right on the channel. If Tyler's famous at the SFC show, so that's cool. So yeah, he obviously thanks everybody for coming up to him and saying hi and all that kind of stuff. You saw that on the truck too, where he gave a shout out to a couple of people. That's pretty cool. I think that's pretty much all I got for you today. I didn't get anything off the truck. Still paying down that bill. I got a price on my hutch, so that is in the works right now. So finally I can say that we're looking into it. Got to get the top replaced, obviously. That is up to Brian over at Shark, and so if you want a stainless 68-inch Epic top, message me, email me. I will be selling it. So you pay the shipping, and we'll figure out a price for the top. So there you go. That's pretty much it. It's all I got for you guys today. It's been a really busy day. You will see a video that's going to be out in a couple of days of everything that I am working on in the shop today. It was actually filmed today, so that's pretty cool. Lots of stuff. I'm so fucking busy. It's not even funny. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Snap on Wednesday. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, Snap on Collectors on Facebook. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.